Good morning, students. Today I am discussing about sociological aspects of physical education according to your first semester syllabus. So, today I discuss with you some important MCQ questions for your upcoming examinations. Okay, so first questions for your examinations. Sociology aims as explain means. Options are there: group behavior, interpersonal relationships. Group behavior, interpersonal relationships, both, and none of the above. So, which is the answer? Look, sociological aims as explaining means group behavior and interpersonal relationships. So answer is she, both of them. Understood? And now look, the central theme of sociology is what? Biological interaction, social interaction, chemical interaction, physical interaction. So which is the answer? The central theme in sociology is what? Social interaction. What? Social interaction. Understood? Now look, another important questions. What? Sociology analyze the concept of since civilization, other ills, all of the above. So which is the answer? Simple things. Sociology analyzes the concept of civilizations. Understood? And now look, students, another important questions for your upcoming examination. Sociology also studies the possibility of directing changes in the ultimate interest of. Sociology also studies the possibility of directing change in the ultimate interest of family welfare, social welfare, human welfare, all of the above. So, which is the answer? Answer is human welfare. Because sociology studies the possibility of directing changes the ultimate interest of human welfare. Understood? So now look, students, another important questions for your examinations. Sociology is the study of individual only from cultural angle, economic angle, political angle, none of the above. Which is the answer? Sociology is the study of the individual only from none of the above. Because not cultural angle, not economical angle, and non political angle. Understood? So sociology is the study of individual only from none of the above. Okay. So look, students, social life consists of music, participation in drums, games, all of the above. So which is the answer? Social life consists of all of the above. Music also, participation in any games, drums, anything, dramas, games, all things. So this is the answer, all of the above. Now look, students, sociology analyze the process of interaction as options are there: cooperation, conflict, competition, and all of the above. Therefore, actually, the sociology analyze the process of interaction as all of the above: cooperation also, conflict also, competition also, all things. Okay. Now look, social development is which includes the development of cooperativeness, friendliness, social attitudes, all of the above. So which is the answer? These are also all of the above, because sociological, social development in which includes the development of cooperativeness, friendliness, social attitudes, all things. So now look, another important questions for your upcoming examination. The theory that study of sociology in human relationship is given by Merritt, Eldridge, both of them, none of the above. So the theory of the study of sociology is human relationship is given by both of them. Merritt and Eldridge, both of them. Understood? And now look, another important things. Sociology is the study of options are there: human relationship, psychological relationship, cultural relationships, all of the above. So sociological study is sociology is study of human relationship, psychological relationship, after that cultural relationship, all of the above. So sociology is the study of human relationships, not all of the above. So now look, sociology studies process of interaction as what? Sociology studies process of interaction. Process of interaction means assimilation, accommodations, cooperations, all of the above. So all of the above. Okay, assimilations, accommodations, cooperations, all things. So now look, another important question. So when one learns something and makes use of what he has learned is called what? When one learns something and makes use of what he has learned is called assimilations, cooperation, competition, conflict. Which is the answer? Answer is cooperation. When one learns something and make use of what he has learned is called cooperation. Now look, another important questions. The idea that people of high and low status were all equal in the eyes of God first comes with Huns, Muslims, Portuguese, Englishmen. So which is the answer? The idea that people of high and low status were all equal in the eyes of God first comes with Muslims. Carefully listens. Okay. And now look, sociology examines. What things examine? In sociology, social change, social control, both of them, all of the above. I think answers will be there, but both of them. I mean social change and social control, both of them. Now look, another important questions for your examinations. The Ginsberg's views sociology is. In Ginsberg views sociology is all that happens to society, all that happens to animals, all that happen to human being, all of the above. So answer is there, all that happens to human beings. Understood? And now look, incorporating learned behavior into own personality and makes them his style of life. What? Incorporating learned behavior into own personality and makes them his style of life is assimilation, cooperation, competition, conflict. So which is the answer? This answer is assimilations. Understood? Now look, another important questions. The idea of equality was welcomed by the idea of equality was welcomed by the lower caste in Hindu society, Kshatriya, Brahman, backward. So the idea of equality was welcomed by the lower caste in Hindu society. Understood? And another important question, sociology should reflect the answers are there, options are there, community, customs, culture, all of the above. So answers is all of the above. Sociology should reflect community, customs, culture, all things. And now look, another important questions for your upcoming examinations. Caste system weakened in 20th century. What? Caste system weakened in 20th century. Last 50 decades, first 50 decades, in the middle decades, and none of the above. So answers is there, first 50 decades. Understood? And now look, another important questions for your upcoming examinations. What? Social interaction includes interaction with culture, interaction with society, interaction with family, all of the above. So social interaction includes all of the above. Interaction with culture, interaction with society, interaction with family, all things. So now look, another important questions. Participation in the removal of literacy is a social change, conscience change, cultural change, none of the above. So answer is here, social change. And now look, another important questions. The school socialized by imparting social interaction, which is or are student versus student of different age, staff versus staff, all of the above. So answer is all of the above. Because school socialized by imparting social interaction, which student versus staff, student versus student of different age, staff versus staff, all things. And now look, another important questions for today's is also last questions from the sociological viewpoint of functions of education. From the sociological viewpoint, the functions of education, so what? assimilations of tradition, development of new social patterns, the creative and constructive role, all of the above. So, which is the answer? So, from the sociological viewpoint, the functions of educations means assimilations of tradition, development of new social patterns, the creative and constructive roles also. So, answers is all of the above. Okay. So, thank you students. Carefully listen my voice and study at your home, because these are all important for your upcoming examination. Okay. Thank you.